Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're back at it again, and this time on another food review. And we're gonna cover the new Dairy Queen Royal Reese's Fluffernutter Blizzard treat. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not as fluffy as it was earlier, because now it's literally dripping as I'm trying to review this. Let's get straight into the test. Yeah, so that's what it looks like with the cover on, and it's dripping everywhere on my yeah, so I gotta eat this fast. That's what it looks like without it. Like, it's only a 10-minute drive from Dairy Queen, right? And it was already like melting. I made sure to have the AC blasting to keep it surviving. But that didn't obviously help. I'm just chowing down. Don't mind me. So what's in here? Just Reese's cups and peanut butter toppings with marshmallow in the middle. I definitely taste the Reese's cups. Let me clean up my area real quick. It's a little bit messy. Lucky for me, I was a bit smart and kept stuff under the cup in case it was gonna drip like I thought it would. If you're a Reese's fan, just get this. But I'm not really a fan of Reese's or chocolate in general. So I can barely taste the marshmallow. But this is overly sweet. As expected. Yeah, don't really know what to say about this other than it's sweet, tastes good, a lot of sugar, so yeah. And I want to say it's the best Blizzard, but that's because I'm biased to cheesecake, and I would rather get the cheesecake one. But this is new, so might as well try it out, right? Yeah, I say as a treat overall, I give it a 6 out of 10. Um, yeah, it's not nothing really that special. It's sweet, but it's not like a good sweet. It's kind of overly sweet for me. So I don't know how to make an outro, but like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials, links in the description. And yeah, see ya. Bye.